Okay, let's go. Hi, I'm Tian Xiong. I'm the maintenance manager at Infineon Malacca.
Hello, my name is Florian and I'm a maintenance engineer or a system expert for semiconductor manufacturing tools in Villach, Austria. The job as a maintenance engineer or system expert is very diverse, so there is no day that is comparable to another.
As a maintenance manager, I'm in charge of the performance of the assembly machines. So every day I will look at the performance of the machine as well as the quality of the products. An example would be we will review and also discuss the design and material of the clamper at Y1 machine, where we could improve the downtime of the machine and yield and quality of the products.
From my point of view, the most important characteristic is technical interest, an additional way of thinking.
As a maintenance manager, one of the key characteristics that you should have is you need to be inquisitive. You will need to pick up and combine knowledge from different fields, including electrical, electronic, and even mechanical, and combine this knowledge to come up with technical solutions. So as a maintenance manager, what really excites me every day is to push the limits of the machine.
I like my colleagues, I like a pleasant atmosphere at work, so it is also important for me that the surrounding in my company is good.
Work at Infineon means you'll be part of a global passionate community driving the boundaries of technology. Come join me at Infineon for exciting opportunities.